This 2016 Winnebago Tour 42 HD is a Class A RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features a tan interior, sleeps 4, skylight, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, LP detector, refrigerator, awning, DVD player, external shower, smoke detector, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 full baths. This 2016 Winnebago Tour 42 HD is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.